To request disability-related accommodations, start at the Disability Resources homepage. In the top navigation bar, go to Request Accommodations. Under Student Accommodations, scroll down to the Student Self-Identification form. On the Student Self-Identification form page, select the Register button. On the student registration form, be sure to enter your first name, your last name, and your student ID number. Also include your NAU email address. Under Disability, be sure to indicate the disability category under which you qualify. You can select multiple categories or include something in Other. The next step is to indicate what accommodations you're requesting or that you've had in the past. Then enter the history of accommodations you've used in your previous schooling. Under Disability Information, there is the opportunity to upload 2 files. You can use this space to upload files with information related to your disability or previous accommodations you've received. This might include information from a medical provider, or a copy of a Section 504 plan, or an IEP from high school. The next step will be to answer the security question and select Submit. Your accommodation request has been submitted, and an individual from Disability Resources will contact you shortly to set up an intake meeting.